Hello, teacher.
I'm Hansen. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Jim. I am 14 years old. I live in Tamdip City. My school name is Tyson Secondary School. Um, I'm in class 8B. Uh, there are five people in my family. There are dad, mom, young brother, and me.
Okay.
My hobby is volleyball.
Okay, you like playing volleyball. That's okay. Okay, let's talk about shopping. Do you often go shopping?
Yes, I do.
Good. How many ways can you shop?
Two way, yeah.
Two ways.
Two ways.
Okay.
There are online shopping and offline shopping.
Good. What's your favorite shop?
My favorite shop is Lunchy Mart.
Where is Lunchmart?
It's in Tamdip City.
Good. How often do you go there?
Twice a week.
Twice a week.
Twice a week.
Good. What do you buy when you go to Lunchy?
Vegetable and food.
Vegetables and food. Okay, that's okay. What type of people can go to Lunchy?
Everybody.
Good. Do you like Lunchy?
If
Do you like Lunchy? Yes or no?
Yes,
Why?
it's beautiful and convenient.
Beautiful and convenient. Good. We have two ways of shopping, online and offline. Which one do you prefer?
I prefer online shopping.
Why?
Because it um, convenient and fast and faster.
Okay, convenient and faster. What's this?
Hurricane.
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 This.
Forest fire.
This.
Thunder.
And this.
Uh, um, volcano.
No. What's this? What's this?
Forest fire.
This.
Hurricane.
And this.
Thunder.
Okay, that's okay. Good job. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Good.